When a tree like this loses a limb due to a lightning strike or perhaps a heavy storm, where the limb has broken off, water will seep in and eventually the termites will come in and eat the hardwood off the tree. Once that has happened, the tree naturally then starts to form a hollow. And within that hollow, we might find habitat for different animals. We might find lorikeets nesting in there, sulphur-crested cockatoos or rosellas. We might get owls if we are lucky, or we might attract microbats who actually bring the whole family along, and to finish off, perhaps even possums like a ring-tailed possum or a brush-tailed possum. Here we've got a beautiful rock overhang. Now this could be habitat to lizards perhaps, or perhaps even a snake, or mammals, other mammals. Again, it feels very wet on top, so the rock actually absorbs the water and the water seeps through it. So when lizards get thirsty during a hot summer, they can actually survive living under this rock. A hololog is a beautiful thing. Once it comes down, termites will actually enter the hardwood and eat it out and form a hollow. In the hollow, it will provide a home for different animals. Eventually, over time, the whole log will disappear and nutrients will go into the soil, which make new plants grow. This is another habitat we found, the old tree trunk, and it shows signs of Borris inhabiting the leftovers of the trunk. These groovy marks here are actually marks for Borris. So Borris are living within this old tree trunk, and you can see all the bark is flaking off, and eventually this whole tree trunk will disintegrate within the bush. We have just found this beautiful habitat here. We don't know whose home it is, but look how intricately it is built. They've used branches here, it's used sticks from trees, bark, loose bark. So whenever you walk around in the bush reserve, beware where you're walking, stay on the path, because you wouldn't really want to step on this because it's somebody's home.